In today I'm going to show you how to make MrBeast highlight effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's go to the timeline. Here is the 3 cards. Then I will create a adjustment layer. Drag the adjustment layer in timeline. Then we will go effect and search Pro-Cramp. Leave with the effect in adjustment layer. Then we will go effect control. Turn on the brightness keyframe and decrease the value like 30%. Then go forward on frame and increase the value like 50%. Then go forward 10 frame, hold the shift key and right. Then reset parameter. Look, here is a create a flash effect. Next we will mask in each curve. Go to the masked and select your curve. Double click the panel. Then double click the panel in zoom out screen and play the video. After that, we will take each layer up and mask the curve one by one. Hold Alt key and copy the adjustment layer. Then delete the masked second layer and mask the another curve. And play the video. Move forward each layer 5 frame. Hold the keyboard and go forward 5 frame. And play the video. Thank you so much guys for watching the video.